Student, welcome to my class. Today I am going to read new topic. This is the first chapter of Footprints Without Feet. The chapter name is A Triumph of Surgery. The story is written by James Herriot. Here the very character James Herriot is the narrator as well as the main character. He was taking a character as a vet or animal doctor. The story is most interesting because of the interaction with another rich lady, that is Mrs. Pumphrey. She was sophisticated and very luxurious lady, and her habit of giving extra food to her dog made the dog very helpless and very succumbed to ill. Let's see what happened in the story. Go forward. Let's read about the introduction about the story. The story has been written by James Herriot. The subject of the story is a pet dog which is spoiled by its owner. The owner indulges her dog so much with food and other comforts that the dog has become overweight. That is one type of obesity and cannot even walk properly. Finally, the dog has been taken to a veterinary doctor who treats the dog without using a single medicine. This was really a miracle and triumph of surgery. Here, the title shows the triumph of surgery. Here, triumph means victory, and surgery is the clinic of the doctor, that is James Herriot. Second point, the dog is left with all other dogs so that it can play and get the much needed physical exercise. Actually, the name of the dog is Tricky, and Tricky was getting excess food. But what was needed more was the exercise. And the doctor came to know about the situation, and the health of the dog was hampering due to lack of physical exercise. And here in the surgery, the dog was given such exercises without giving any medicine. After a period of enough physical activities, the dog loses much of its fat and becomes the hale and hearty. It was time given for a fortnight, that means 2 weeks, but within 10 days, the dog recovered very soon because the doctor knew very well what the dog needed, and he focuses on the exercises rather than the food. Apparently, this is a simple story with a simple subject, but if we try to read between the words, the story has much significance for our life as well. Actually, the story is implying the fact that what we needed, a healthy body and healthy mind. Health is getting by means of various activities as well as exercises, not only taking food. If you are taking food all the time and not doing any activities and not doing exercises, almost your body will hamper. And that the story writer is signifying here. You will see many kids who are overweight or suffering from obesity and spoiled because their parents just try to meet every demand of the kid. The kid or small children develop into a cupped potato, which is not good for his life. Let's see what is told about the story. Here, at the very beginning of the story, you can see and the doctor, James Herriot, was traveling somewhere else, and after having seen the doctor, after having seen uh, the dog as well as the mistress, the doctor stopped his car and tried to give some advice to the mistress. First of all, the doctor was very much shocked to see the condition of the dog. Actually, the condition of the dog was very bad. It was looking like a hugely fat and bloated, like a bloated sausage with a leg at each corner, and his eyes bloodshot. Rheumy means water is coming from the eyes, stared straight ahead, and his tongue lolled from his jaws. It seemed that the dog was totally listless. Then he wanted to know something else from Mrs. Pampre, whether she was giving excess food or cut short the meals. Then Mrs. Pampre was hiding the words. Actually, she did not want to share the words with the doctor. Many food items she was giving between the meals during the daytime, but she was not telling. Some food item names she told, and she was giving focus that little bit extra food that the dog was loving very much, that she was giving. And she told that recently the dog was not getting physical exercise because her gardener, name of the gardener was a Hodgkin, and he was suffering from illness, actually ache in the lower back, that is lumbago. That's why ring throwing game was not going on, and she came out with the dog to walk a little. Here in the key points, what was told, Tricky was a small dog and was excessively loved by his mistress. The name of the mistress is Mrs. Pampre. He was greedy and loved food. The dog was very much greedy and loved food, but no exercise. All the time, any time of the day, you want to give the food to the dog never say no. As a result, he became fat, and Mrs. Pampre believed that he became lazy because he suffered from malnutrition. Actually, overweight is not a malnutrition, it is a obesity. But here, this is the very irony. She was telling that her dog was suffering from malnutrition because not showing any sign of energy in its activities, in his walking and movement and all these activities. So it was her thinking that her dog was lazy due to malnutrition. After that, what she told, Mrs. Pamper was a wealthy woman, very rich. You know, she had kept the cupboards full of different types of coats for the dog, for raincoat, and different winter garments were there, winter coats are there, different utensils, different things, different food items, whatever, many things are there kept for the dog. Mrs. Pampre was a very wealthy woman. At the last, you can see one very long car was there, which was standing outside the surgery to take or receive the dog. She loved her dog too much. She gave him some little extras between the meals, means lunch and dinner. Between lunch and dinner, she was giving some extra food to build him up. Malt, like malt is given, and malt is a type of whiskey from barley. It was made of corn, and cod liver oil is given, and a bowl of Horlicks for at night for good sleep. What is more in the key points given? Let's see. She gave him a lot to eat, but no exercise. No exercise was given to the dog. Once he became ill, and she was worried and made a frantic call to Harriet, who was a vet. Actually, the doctor was thinking that one day the lady must call him to take the vet. Once he became so one day the dog became very much ill, and she was in tension. She made immediate call to Harriet what was the solution for it to recover the dog. James already had given suggestion regarding Tricky's balanced diet. Uh, Actually, doctor told in the earlier situation that he should be given balanced diet and not excessive food. And basically, the food items, the junk food or extra food should not be given. But she never followed it. He was a vet. James Herriot was a vet or animal doctor. He was shocked to see Tricky hugely fat, like a blotted sausage with a leg at each corner. It seemed that its body was hanging between the four legs. He advised her to cut down on the sweet things, especially the restriction was given on the sweet things. He expected call within a few days. First of all, observation was done by the doctor. After that, he was expecting that someday, immediately, the lady must call him. And it happened also. According to his wish, the lady called. He was called by Mrs. Pumphrey as Tricky refused to eat. He told her that Tricky needed immediate hospitalization for keeping under observation at his surgery for a fortnight. So the doctor told the lady to keep the dog in his custody. It should be hospitalized for 2 weeks. There, he gave him no food, no medicine, but plenty of water. Water was given for 1 or 2 days, no food was given. Gradually, he mixed with other dogs and started playing with them. At the for the 2 days, only water was given. At the end of the second day, when the bowls of the food were kept for the dogs, other dogs in the surgery. Other dogs were fighting to get their food, and at last, Tricky went there to lick the only the clean bowls. And on the third day, extra bowl was kept for Tricky, and he came to know that if he wanted to get the food, he had to struggle, he had to fight. That he started, and little bit energy was increases, and in this way he managed the food item on the third day. In this way, after that, his improvement was rapidly. He was playing with the other dogs time to time. On the first day, when Tricky was brought at the surgery. Other dogs were inspecting it, sniffing it, and thought that this dog is very useless. So they avoided the dog Tricky. There were Alsatians were also, and these dogs also came to inspect it. But later, later these dogs become his friends because Tricky was gradually gaining its power and energy. Gradually, he mixed with other dogs and started playing with them. He had a lot of exercises and fun at the surgery. He was completely recovered and transformed into a hard muscle dog. It did not take fortnight or 2 weeks. In the very early of the fortnights or the 2 weeks, he got his recovery. James Elliot treated the dog without medicine or surgery. She was happy and filled with gratitude. Actually, when it was totally recovered, the doctor and his other helpers or friends did not inform the lady about this situation, and they were consuming the wine, the brandy, as well as the eggs given to the dog for its good news of recovering gradually. And the days were very good all the time. They were consuming this wine, brandy, as well as they started their day with the two eggs. She was happy and filled with gratitude, and she thanked Harriet and said it was a triumph of surgery at last when the dog was returned to the uh, mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. Actually, tears were rolling down from her eyes, and she was telling that it was really a miracle she could not have thought about. the situation that her dog could be recovered. Obviously, that happened and her dog recovered. Let's read about the summary of this story. Mrs. Pamprey was a rich and emotional lady who has a cute pet called Tricky. She loved him so much that she overfed him. Tricky had put on a lot of weight, which made him lethargic or very listless, energyless. When Dr. Harriet saw the fat dog like a blotted sausage, one type of chopped meat was there, and he was shocked. He made, planned, and told Mrs. Pamprey that Tricky needed treatment for a ailment which was possible only in the hospital. The doctor knew that Mrs. Pamprey would not be able to keep the dog on a proper diet. When the greedy dog went to the hospital, he had to remain hungry if he was slow to approach for the food. He was given food at fixed intervals. So he shed off a lot of his body weight. Means when gradually food items were cutting or reducing, that time his body weight was reducing also. And he became little bit active, means quite active. When Tricky was at home, he was pampered by Mrs. Pamprey. He was taken extra care. He had a luxurious life when he was served with cream cakes, chocolate, Horlicks. But when he came to the doctor, he became all right. When Mrs. Pamprey saw her active dog, she thanked the doctor and felt that it was a triumph of surgery. Let's read about the characterization of Mrs. Pamprey. She was a wealthy woman. She loved her dog too much. She gave him some little extras between the meals to build him up. Malt cod liver oil and a bowl of Horlicks at night. She gave him a lot to eat, but no exercise. Once she became ill and she was worried, means in tension, and made a frantic call, means like a mad like call to Harriet, who was a vet or animal doctor. James already gave suggestion regarding Tricky's balanced diet, but she never followed it. If we know about James Harriet, a vet, what is given about him? Let's read. He was a vet, animal doctor. He was shocked to see hugely fat, like a blotted sausage, with a leg at each corner. He already advised her to cut down on the sweet things, or sweets should not be given. He expected call came within a few days and it was happened. The call came and he was called by Mrs. Pamprey as Tricky refused to eat. He told her that Tricky needed immediate hospitalization for keeping under observation at his surgery a fortnight, means 2 weeks. There he gave him no food, no medicine, but plenty of water. Gradually, he mixed with other dogs and started playing with him, and he had a lot of exercise and fun at the surgery. Dog's recovery is a triumph of surgery. What is given? The topic we should read. He was completely recovered and transformed into a hard muscle dog. James Harriet treated the dog without medicine or surgery. She was happy and filled. The lady was happy and filled with gratitude. She thanked Harriet and said it was a triumph or victory of the clinic. We should know about the Tricky also. Tricky was a small dog and was excessively loved by his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey. He was greedy and loved food, but no exercise. As a result, he became fat, and Mrs. Pumphrey believed that he became lazy because he suffered from malnutrition. Let's see about the glossary. Here, sausage is given. What is the meaning of the sausage? Finely minced meat stuffed into long cylindrical cases and divided into small lengths by twisting or trying. Rheumi, what is rheumi? Rheumi, a watery discharge from a mucous membrane, especially of the nose and eyes. Listless means lacking energy or enthusiasm. Enthusiasm, that is energyless. Lumbago, muscular pain in the lower part of the back, lumbar region. Regime means prescribed course of exercise and diet. Distraught means extremely worried. Surgery, a place where doctor, dentist or a veterinary surgeon treats patients. Scrimmage. Scrimmage means rough or confused struggle. Convalescing. Convalescing means recovering from illness. Lethe. Lethe means flexible. What is the theme of the story? The Triumph of Surgery by James Herriot is about a rich lady, Mrs. Pumphrey. She was pampering her pet dog and Tricky in her affection and love for the pet. She gave her sweet food. Actually, she gave the dog sweet food, Horlicks, cream cakes, chocolates, etc., as many times as the dog demanded. This sweet and fatty food made Tricky enormously fat. James Herriot suggested her not to give the dog such type of food and also suggested her to make Tricky do exercise. But Mrs. Pumphrey did not follow the narrator's advice. As expected, Tricky fell ill. The narrator, since he was qualified vet, took the sick doctor to his clinic. He kept it on normal diet and made it drink lots of water. It played with other dogs, and after a fortnight, it became healthy again. Even during Tricky's treatment, Mrs. Pumphrey would send boiled eggs, wine, and brandy also to be given to the dog Tricky, but the narrator did not give anything to the dog. When Mrs. Pumphrey got Tricky back, she was so happy. She thought the narrator had done some surgery on it. So, in gratitude, she said, "This is a triumph of surgery." This is up for today. In my next video, I will come with some topics. Till then, goodbye to all of you.